Oh, it's super fantastic. We're on the Polar Express.
With that rush, what can only happen on the Polar Express?
This is our train right here, our car, the scenic view. We've got a dome.
Lights are gleaming far across the snow. You're not dreaming. May I present the North Pole on the Polar Express.
Ticket, please. Thank you. There you are, miss. Ticket. Thank you. There's your ticket, sir. I'll just put it right in front of you. Tickets, please. Thank you, sir.
The conductor helped
Your
me
ticket
from this way.
and your ticket. You're very welcome. Keep those in a safe place.
I'll check my manifest.
We just crossed it. Latitude 66 degrees, 33 minutes north.
Merry Christmas, Santa.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Santa. Are you excited too? Oh, yes. Yes.
Think of your birthday present.
It's the best birthday gift ever.
You can't help but smile.
Can't help but smile. You can get on a grouch, but you'll not get off that way.